Welcome to my video Make Money Online with Private Label Rights Ebooks. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. In the past, whenever a reader wanted to pick up a book, they often went to their local library or bookstore. Now, more readers are getting their books online. These books are being marketed as ebooks. Ebooks come in a format that is easy to read off of the computer, but they can also be printed. If you are an experienced writer, you may be able to make money by creating your own ebooks. If you are interested in taking part in this money-making opportunity, you will first have to find a topic that will inspire readers to purchase your material. This can easily be done by using the internet. You will want to look for popular topics that are being discussed online. It may also be a good idea to see if any ebooks are already available, especially those with the topic that you intend to write on. You can still write an ebook on a popular topic, even one with numerous ebooks already available. However, it may be more difficult to sell your completed ebook. After you have found a topic and completed writing, you will then have to make an important decision. This decision may not only have an impact on how much money you make, but how much additional work will be required. That decision is whether you want to sell your own ebook or have someone else do it for you. As you may assume, there are a number of advantages and disadvantages to each. To select the best option, you are advised to fully examine the advantages and disadvantages. Doing so will allow you to make a more informed decision. If you decide to sell your own ebook, you will find that it not only takes time, but money as well. Customers cannot purchase your ebook if they do not know that you have created one. For this reason, you will have to effectively market your ebook. This may involve the creation of a website and multiple informational articles. You will need money to design and develop your own website. If you are unfamiliar with web design, you may even need to hire the services of a professional website developer. If time and money is something that you do not have, you may want to examine private label resell rights. Private label resell rights are how many individuals are making money nowadays. If you make the decision to have someone else sell your creation, you may want to take this route. In a way, you will be giving away your ebook, for a fee of course. The person who purchases the resell rights to your ebook will then be able to sell it to the general public. This person will likely to be experienced in product advertisement. In addition to being experienced, these individuals will likely have the time to market your ebook, whereas you might not. When it comes to offering your ebook resell rights for sale, you will have a number of different options. There are many authors who allow their resell rights purchaser to alter their material and then claim the creation rights. However, this is not always the case. By creating your own contract or user agreement, you should be able to stipulate what you want and do not want done with your ebook. The individuals who purchase the right to resell your ebook will make an unspecified amount of money off the sale. Many times, the amount of money they make will depend on how much work they put into marketing the ebook. While you may be interested in pocketing this money yourself, it is important to understand how resell rights work. When offering your ebook resell rights for sale, you can put any price tag on it that you would like. This means that you can control how much money you make. If you are interested in creating ebooks for the purpose of offering private label resell rights, you are urged to start examining your options. As the popularity of private label resell rights increases, you may soon find that so does the competition. To make money off of this opportunity, you are encouraged to act fast before someone else creates an ebook just like yours. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.